Good morning, food lovers, and welcome back to my kitchen. Are you tired of the same old boring breakfast routine? Do you dream of a meal that's not only delicious and satisfying, but also incredibly good for you? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share my absolute favorite breakfast recipe, the ultimate almond butter banana oatmeal. Trust me, once you try this, your mornings will never be the same. This isn't just any oatmeal. It's a bowl of pure comfort, packed with nutty flavor, natural sweetness, and a creamy texture that is simply divine. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. First things first, let's talk about our star ingredients. We're keeping it simple, wholesome, and packed with goodness. You'll need some rolled oats. I prefer them over instant for their heartier, chewier texture. Next, a ripe banana. The riper the better. Those little brown spots mean it's extra sweet and perfect for mashing. Of course, we need our creamy, dreamy almond butter. Go for a natural one where the only ingredient is almonds, maybe with a little salt. We'll also need a liquid to cook our oats in. You can use water, but I love using a mix of water and milk, dairy, or a plant-based option like almond. Or soy milk works beautifully to make it extra creamy. Finally, a pinch of cinnamon and a splash of vanilla extract to elevate all those amazing flavors. That's it, simple, right? Now, let's get to the magic. Here's the secret to getting that perfectly creamy, not at all gummy oatmeal. The trick is twofold. First, we're going to mash half of our banana and slice the other half. The mashed banana gets cooked right into the oatmeal, releasing its sugars and starches, which creates this incredible natural sweetness and a thick pudding-like consistency. The sliced banana will be for topping later. The second part of the secret is to stir, but not too much. Constant stirring can make oats gummy, but stirring occasionally helps release the starches gently for that perfect creaminess. Let's head over to the stove. In a small saucepan, combine your rolled oats, the mashed banana, your liquid of choice, and a pinch of salt. Never forget the salt. It's a flavor enhancer and really makes all the other ingredients pop. We're going to bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Don't walk away. This is where the magic happens. As it heats up, give it a stir every minute or so. You'll see the oats start to absorb the liquid, and the banana will melt right in, creating this beautiful, creamy base. After about 5 to 7 minutes, your oatmeal should be thick, creamy, and cooked through. If it gets too thick for your liking, you can always add another splash of milk until you reach your desired consistency. Once the oats are perfectly cooked, it's time to turn off the heat. Now, for the flavor bombs. Stir in your vanilla extract and that lovely pinch of cinnamon. And here comes the star of the show, a generous spoonful of almond butter. Stir it right in. Watch as it melts and swirls into the hot oatmeal, creating these beautiful ribbons of nutty goodness. The aroma at this point is just heavenly. It's the smell of a perfect morning. The combination of the warm banana, the rich almond butter, and the fragrant cinnamon is a match made in breakfast heaven. Okay, our creamy almond butter banana oatmeal is ready. Let's pour it into our favorite bowl. But wait, we're not done yet. A great breakfast is all about the textures and the toppings. This is where you can get really creative. I like to start with the other half of our banana, sliced beautifully on top. Then, for a bit of crunch, I'll add a sprinkle of chopped almonds or walnuts. A small handful of fresh berries, like blueberries or raspberries, adds a burst of freshness and a pop of color. And for a final touch of indulgence, a tiny drizzle of maple syrup or honey and an extra little dollop of almond butter right on top. Just look at that. It's a work of art. And there you have it, the most incredible, wholesome, and satisfying bowl of almond butter banana oatmeal you will ever eat. It's packed with fiber from the oats, healthy fats and protein from the almond butter, and potassium from the banana. This breakfast will keep you full, energized, and happy all morning long. No more mid-morning snack attacks. It's the perfect way to start your day on a positive and healthy note. It honestly tastes more like a dessert than a breakfast, but it's packed with nutrients to fuel your body. The beauty of this recipe is its versatility. Don't have almond butter? Use peanut butter or cashew butter. Want to add more protein? Stir in a scoop of your favorite protein powder or some Greek yogurt at the end. You can also add chia seeds or flax seeds when you re-cooking the oats for an extra boost of fiber and omega-3 south. The possibilities are endless. Make it your own. Experiment with different nuts, seeds, and fruits to find your perfect combination. This recipe is a fantastic base for all your breakfast creations. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It has truly transformed my mornings, and I know it will do the same for you. It proves that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or complicated. It can be delicious, comforting, and something you genuinely look forward to every single day. Say goodbye to bland breakfasts and hello to this bowl of pure joy. Let me know in the comments below if you try it and what your favorite toppings are. I love hearing from you all and getting new ideas. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.